And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an atom icon. You only need the ellipse tool for that. Hold Control when you drag it to have a circle. I want to have a fill, no stroke, so I'll hold Shift, click on the X, and I'll give it a black fill for now. Let me size it down a little bit, holding Shift and Control. And again, the ellipse tool, drag a freeform ellipse. It only needs a stroke, so click on the X. And we've gotten rid of the fill. Select it all. Object, align and distribute. Last selected is active. I align it to the center. Select the ellipse that only has a stroke. Press Ctrl D, click on it again, and you can rotate that. I repeat the process. You can also control when you rotate it. That way it snaps in certain increments. I want to have it freeform. Something like this. If you don't like the angles, just delete the two ellipses, size down the first one, maybe like this, hold Shift when you do, and then repeat the process. So Ctrl D, click on it again, and rotate it. Let me size the circle in the center down once more a little bit. I'll hold Shift and Control when I do. I'll make that orange. Press Ctrl D, size it down holding Shift and Control, Ctrl D again, Shift click on both of these small circles, I'll give it this color. Now let's give these ellipses a different color. When you do, hold Shift and click on it to have the stroke get that color and not have it applied as a fill. That's a good combination. I'll keep that. Select it all, Ctrl G to group it. If you want to transform it, keep in mind that the circle in the center will not be a perfect circle anymore then. So only press Ctrl G after you've actually have the proportions that you want to have. And this is how you can create this atom icon in Inkscape. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.